Exercise 6.1, question number 1. Lines AB and CD intersect at O. See here, AB and CD are intersecting at point O. What is given? If AOC plus BOE is equal to 70 degree. AOC and BOE, the sum of these two, it is given to you 70 degree. And BOD is given to you 40 degree. Here is BOD. BOD, it is given to you 40 degree. What you have to find? You have to find BOE and reflex of angle COE. Okay, one thing you see here, this AB and CD, these two are intersecting lines. Then angle BOD and angle AOC, these two will be vertically opposite angles. And what we know, vertically opposite angles are always equal. So this is 40, then this should be 40 degree. So you write 40 degree. AOC equal to BOD, vertically opposite angle, that we know. Okay, then what is AOC? AOC is equal to 40 degree. Okay, and what is given here? AOC plus BOE is equal to 70. AOC plus BOE equal to 70. It is given to you. What is AOC? We will put here 40 degree plus BOE is equal to 70 degree. Then what is meaning of BOE? What is BOE? Is 70 minus 40 degree. This is 30 degree. This is equation number 2. Now, by linear pair you see. See here. Take linear pair. Angle AOC plus angle BOC. AOC plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. This is linear pair. Okay, by linear pair axiom. Okay, this is OC is a common break, and this is the thing. AOC plus BOC is equal to 180 degree. Okay, what can I write about BOC? BOC, can I write BOE plus COE? Angle BOE plus angle COE is equal to 180 degree. Okay, AOC I know here. This is 40 degree. BOE also I know. This is 30 degree. And what is COE will be? COE. 40 plus 30 is 70. I am sending 70 there. This is 110. It means COE is equal to 110. COE is 110. Okay. And here what is BOE is 30. BOE is your 30. What you have to find out? This is BOE is the first answer, no? You can write here, this is the answer. Now come on. COE we got here 110. But what you have to find? You have to find reflex of COE. Reflex of angle COE. It means 360 minus angle COE. What is 360? Is 360. Angle COE is what? 110. If you subtract it, you will get 250 degree. This is your answer. Lines XY and MN intersect at O. If POY is equal to 90 degree and A ratio B is equal to 2 ratio 3, you have to find C. Okay, what is given? XY and here MN. These are two lines intersecting at point O. Okay, one angle, this is given to you 90 degree. This is 90 degree. And A ratio B is given to you 2 ratio 3. Okay, now by figure, what we can get? See, this is one line and this OP is standing on it. Okay, it means this is your linear pair. Angle POX plus angle POY will become 180 degree by linear pair property. Okay, here POY is given to you 90. I am putting POX and plus POY, this is 90, is 180 degree. What is POX? POX is divided into two parts, angle A and angle B. I am writing here A plus B and sending 90 degree that side. Then what is A plus B will become 90 degree. This is equation number 1. Okay, now what is given? A ratio B is equal to 2 ratio 3. Okay, then what will be A? A will become 2x and B will become 3x. Okay, now what is, see here, you have to put these two A and B here. A is 2x and B is 3x. This is 90 degree. This is 5x is equal to 90 degree. Then what is x? 90 degree upon 5, 18 degree. Okay, now what to do? See here. Find value of A. Is 2 into 18. 18 to the 36. B 3 into 18. 18 3 the 54 degree. Okay, then you see this line MN and this line OX. Okay, carefully you see. This is MN and this is OX. OX is standing on MN. It means this is linear pair. Angle B plus angle C, this will be 180 degree due to linear pair. Okay, what is angle B? 54, and you have to find angle C. What will be angle C then? 180 degree minus 54 degree. This is your 126 degree. Okay, and you have to find C only, and C is 126 degree, and this is your answer. PQR is equal to angle PRQ, and what you have to prove, angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. See, PQR is this and PRQ is this. This is the angle. Both are equal. Now come on here, this is one line and this line PQ is stand on it. Okay, this PQ is standing on line ST. So we can use linear pair axiom. Okay, then angle PQR and angle PQS. Sum of these two, this will be 180. So angle PQR plus angle PQS is 180 by linear pair. One more it is, this line PR is standing on line ST. So angle PRQ and angle PRT, sum of these two will be also 180 due to linear pair. See, both are of 180, so I am making it here angle PQR plus angle PQS is equal to angle PRQ plus angle PRT. Okay, but what is given in the question? Question is given to you PQR is equal to PRQ. Okay, on place of PQR I have to write PRQ. Here PQS, PRQ as it is, and this is PRT. Okay, PRQ this and PRQ this, you can eliminate, you can cut. Then what is the answer? PQS is equal to PRT, hence true. If x plus y is equal to w plus z, then you have to prove that AOB is a line. This AOB is a line. See here, this is this and this is one, all the angles around the circle. Then sum of these all is 360 degree. We know that sum of all the angles around a point is 360 degree. This point is what? O. It means AOC plus BOC plus BOD plus AOD. Sum of all four is 360 degree. See what is AOC? It is Y. BOC, this is X. BOD, it is W. And AOD is Z 360 degree. Here is W plus Z, and what is given? W plus Z is equal to X plus Y. I will put value here, Y plus X. On place of W plus Z, I am putting X plus Y. It is given to 360 degree. Here I am writing here X plus Y is equal to W plus Z. This is given to you. Okay, now see, X and X 2 times, then 2X, Y and Y 2 times, then 2Y is equal to 360 degree. 2 is common, X plus Y is equal to 360 degree. Then X plus Y is equal to 360 degree upon 2. 360 degree upon 2 is 180 degree. If the sum of these two angles is supplementary angle, adjacent angles are supplementary, then we can say, that time we can say AOB is a line. Here X plus Y is coming 180. There implies we can say AOB is a line.